this video, I'm going to be covering the text-to-speech and translation blocks in Scratch. What you're going to be getting out of this video is you're going to learn what these blocks are, how to use them, and I'm also going to be showing some examples that are simple and complex. Keep watching till the end to become a master of these blocks. Welcome to Dabmc. If you are new to this channel, I post regular videos of Minecraft, Scratch programming, and gaming videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Also, click the bell so you never miss a video. Today I'm going to be covering these two blocks, text-to-speech and translation blocks. No other blocks I'm going to be covering today. But if you haven't seen my previous videos, go check them out because I'm going to be using some blocks such as when green events, control, or I could be using operators and sensing. So be sure to check those videos. It's up in there's a link to it in the video up above. And let's get started. Today I'm going to be covering these two blocks. Now, they may seem boring. After all, they are very short blocks, as you can see. But today I'm going to be covering two of them. The first one is text-to-speech. What is text-to-speech? When we covered the looks blocks, we figured out that, oh wait, I have to go to text. We figured out that you can say hello. It says hello. But what text-to-speech does, it speaks. So that means it doesn't just appear as a bubble, it literally speaks. For example, like this. It just said hello. And there's also many other things you can use with these, and they're really useful blocks. Now comes translation. Translation should be easy to recognize, as all it does is it translates a block, any block, let's say English. Translate hello to English. And it just said hello. It didn't say hello, it printed out hello. And then we can do the Italian one. CEO. I'm not Italian, so I don't know. Let's see this one. Oh, I can't read that. That's complicated. What about this one? Okay, cool. So then we have the language button, and that is like saying see, it says translate language English. And if I were to get this out and say, if I were to say translate hello to Danish, it should say Danish, but for some reason it's not. Oh wait, here it is. It says here, so set language to Danish, and then we say language English. Why that doesn't make sense? Anyway, so we can also say speak language, whatever language it can be. So now let's get started on how to use these blocks. These blocks are very simple. It doesn't take a long time to understand, but I'm going to be going a full review of these blocks. The first one, we have text-to-speech. Now, text-to-speech is a really useful thing when you're trying to create an animation in Scratch, because when you use text-to-speech, they don't have to, the people who view your project, they don't just have to read it, they can just listen to it. They can just be like this with their headphones on or something, and they're like, cool. And then you can also change the voice, and I'm going to be expanding the voice. The alto voice, if I set it to alto and I speak hello, I am Scratch. There we go. And so it said alto. Now let's say tenor. Now it just said hello, I am Scratch. Then squeak. Now I'm not sure about squeak or kitten, but what I do know about kitten is that it won't say hello, I am Scratch. it would say meow meow. It will say meow 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 meow. It just says meow. So whatever you type, if you said to kitten, it would just say meow 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 meow. That's all it says. So then we have the giant. I think it's a very deep voice, in my opinion. A kitten. See, it just said meow 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 meow. Not that many meows. I'm just over exaggerating, but it did say meow. Then we set the language. So let's say set language to Danish, and I say speak hello. It would say in Danish. Let's say Spanish. Sometimes it might not work, only because if you try to want to do Chinese, it only speaks like those English languages. Not all of them, but yeah. Now let's get on to the code. So what code? So the first code we have is a simple one. Hello. Then we have hello, I am Scratch. Now you can change it to whatever you want. So if I take up this, I can say subscribe. Yeah, I can say that. Subscribe. It would say subscribe. It won't say the exclamation marks because yes. And then you can also say 23, 4, 5, 6. You can say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you can also say 1 plus 1 equals 2, because that is true. And it rhymes. So then you can say to whatever you want, absolutely anything. Then after that we have, let me just set this to English. Actually, you know what will probably happen? It probably would be in that language. So let me just say sub. Just say sub. Okay, so now I would say this is what I want to show. This is a very interesting one. It would say this. What should I say? And let me say it would say subscribe to my channel. So, and then we have speak language. So whatever language it is, it would speak that language. So currently it's English. It'll speak English. If I say, let me see. What if I speak this language? Then I can change it. And if I want to say, I am, where is it? Italian. It would speak hello in Italian. So then after that we have speak language. I've done. Now we can say text. So I had these two blocks set up. So then I can say, because I have two variables, I can say text for 2 seconds. So if I say that, it would say, then it would speak it. You can't unfortunately do this two at the same time. Only if you can't use this say text for 2 seconds, because it will say it for 2 seconds and then it would say speak text. So you can't say it at the same time, unfortunately, but it is what it is. And then we have set question, and then what would you like to translate? Type it down and click enter. So I type it below. If I say this one, what would you like to translate? Type it down and then I speak it. And it just spoke. So that's all I have set up for you guys today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Also, click the bell so you never miss a video. Saying this, bye guys.